Welcome back to my channel, hope you're all doing well, and today I'm doing a SHEIN LED lights unboxing. So let's open the package. So remember to subscribe, like and share for more videos. So this is the package inside. So I actually bought a few other things, so me and my mum purchased them. So she bought a few stuff that's showing in the background, but I bought the LED lights because they looked really nice. I've heard a lot about them. So they come with a remote control and the LED light strips. So they look really cool, and keep watching, so I'm going to show you all the different modes and colors at the end of the video. So it comes with a switch, an on and off switch, and a connector as well. So we're going to be setting them up. So first I'm unwiring them, we're going to connect them, so you can see that I'm connecting them, and I'm going to also connect them to my wall. It's really simple and easy. You can do it at home without any help. You don't even need your parents' help. So yay, they're flashing. So you can see they are flashing until you put the batteries in the remote. They flash, so you might as well want to switch it off and then get the batteries. So the batteries are actually only for the remote control. It's a CR battery that my dad had already had, so I didn't need to buy them, luckily. They look really cool and cute, and they're really trendy. It took like 3 to 4 weeks to come, but they are really nice. So you can see they come with different colors. So here my remote control didn't have the batteries in, so that's why they were flashing. We're going to be setting them up, so keep watching. I'm showing you them now. This is them. They look really good. I really like them. I'm going to show you them and switch off my lights. So it looks really nice. I'm really happy that I bought them. You can see them with the lights switched off. So I'm buying some posters for my room. So you can see I have 4 posters so far. I'm going to get like 8 posters to put on the side of my wall. So you can see the different colors and the different modes. They look really nice. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really like these LED lights, so I really recommend them. Something I would double check next time if I were to buy them again was if they were multicolored, because I got mine multicolored. But they have plain colors or multicolored ones. So bye.